Welcome back to CoinAgeEra. Today, we're comparing to Asian coins that millions of people have used, but very few truly understand. One comes from the powerful history and traditions of Japan, while the other represents the rapid economic rise of China. On one side, we have the famous Japanese 10-yen coin, known for its beautiful temple design and deep cultural meaning. On the other side stands the 2000 for Chinese 5 Jiao coin, a modern coin connected to one of the world's fastest-growing economies. At first glance, they may look like ordinary pocket change, but hidden behind these small coins are stories of history, culture, rare collector versions, and surprising value. Some rare examples of these coins have shocked collectors with their prices, especially high-grade and rarer versions. That's why coin hunters around the world carefully search through old collections hoping to discover hidden treasures. So today, we'll uncover the history behind both coins, their hidden collector value, rare versions worth serious money, and finally, which coin wins this powerful comparison battle. By the end of this video, you may never look at Asian coins the same way again. The story of the Japanese 10-yen coin is far bigger than most people imagine. To many, it looks like a small brown coin used for vending machines or small purchases in Japan, but for collectors and history lovers, this coin represents an entire era of rebuilding, culture, survival, and economic transformation. After World War II, Japan faced one of the darkest moments in its history. Cities had been destroyed, industries collapsed, and millions of people were struggling to rebuild their lives. The country needed stability, and one of the most important parts of rebuilding a nation was restoring confidence in its financial system. During this time, Japan redesigned and modernized many of its coins, and slowly the famous 10-yen coin became one of the most recognizable pieces of currency in Asia. What makes this coin truly special is that it combines everyday money with national heritage. On the reverse side of the coin appears the beautiful Byodo-in Temple, one of Japan's most historic Buddhist temples and one of the country's greatest architectural treasures. This temple dates back nearly 1,000 years and symbolizes peace, spirituality, and classical Japanese beauty. By placing it on the coin, Japan was sending a powerful message to its people and the world. Even after destruction and war, the country's culture and identity would survive. That means every time someone spent a 10-yen coin, they were carrying a small piece of Japanese history in their pocket, without even realizing it. The bronze color of the coin also gives it a completely different personality compared to modern silver-colored coins. Over decades, older 10-yen coins develop darker shades, natural toning, and aged surfaces that make each coin unique. Some collectors actually prefer naturally toned coins because they carry visible signs of age and authenticity, and because these coins circulated heavily for many years. Finding older examples with clean surfaces and sharp temple details has become increasingly difficult. But here's where the story becomes truly exciting for collectors. Even though millions of 10-yen coins were produced, not all of them are equal. Certain dates, mint conditions, and rare minting mistakes can dramatically increase value. Collectors carefully inspect these coins for rare early post-war years, low mintage issues, strong original bronze color, sharp details on the temple roof and windows, proof-like surfaces, die cracks, and off-center strikes. Uncirculated mint state examples. Most ordinary circulated 10-yen coins are only worth a small amount. But once condition improves, prices can rise quickly. A beautiful uncirculated coin with strong detail and original luster can easily sell for $20 to $100 plus, while rare dates or special mint condition examples may reach hundreds of dollars. Some exceptional error coins have become even more valuable because collectors love unusual and difficult to find pieces. And the reason collectors love these coins so much isn't just because of money. It's because of the story behind them. This coin witnessed Japan transform from a struggling post-war nation into one of the world's strongest economies. during the decades when Japan became famous for technology, cars, electronics, and global business growth. The 10-yen coin remained part of daily life. Millions of people carried it through train stations, markets, schools, vending machines, and busy Tokyo streets every single day. That means this coin is more than currency. It's a survivor of history, a symbol of Japanese culture and resilience, and one of the most recognizable Asian coins ever created. And the craziest part? Even today, many people still spend or ignore these coins without realizing that hidden among millions of ordinary examples could be rare collector pieces worth far more than face value. Now it's time to move from the traditional beauty of Japan's 10-yen coin to a completely different world, the modern and fast-rising story of the 2004 Chinese 5 Jiao coin. While the Japanese coin represents history, temples, and post-war rebuilding, the Chinese 5 Jiao tells the story of a country transforming into an economic superpower. At first glance, this small coin may look simple, modern, and ordinary, but behind it lies a fascinating story connected to national growth, changing currency systems, and a new era for China. By the early 2000s, China was changing faster than almost any country in the world. Massive cities were expanding, industries were growing rapidly, and the country was becoming a global economic giant. During this period, coins like the 200 for 5 Jiao became part of everyday life for hundreds of millions of people. The coin circulated through crowded markets, train stations, restaurants, buses, and shops during one of the most important economic transformations in modern history. That means this small piece of metal quietly witnessed China becoming one of the world's most powerful economies. Unlike the bronze Japanese 10-yen coin, the Chinese 5 Jiao has a more modern metallic appearance, reflecting the country's fast-moving and industrial image. The design is clean, simple, and modern, very different from the traditional artistic style seen on older Asian coins. Yet even with its modern look, the coin still carries national symbolism and cultural meaning. Many collectors are drawn to Chinese coins because of China's huge global influence and rapidly growing collector market. But here's where things become really interesting. Most people assume modern Chinese coins have little value because millions were produced. And yes, normal circulated to 00 for 5 Jiao coins are usually worth only a small amount. But collectors know that condition changes everything. High-grade examples with strong shine, clean surfaces, and almost flawless details can become surprisingly desirable. Rare mint condition coins, proof versions, and unusual minting errors are especially attractive to collectors around the world. Collectors search carefully for rare proof-like examples, high-grade uncirculated coins, off-center strikes, double die errors, rare mint defects, strong original surfaces with no scratches. And while most ordinary coins remain low in value, rare collector examples can sell for $10 to $50 plus in excellent condition, hundreds of dollars for rare graded examples, even higher prices for unusual mint errors or proof issues. But beyond value, the 200 for 5 Jiao coin represents something much larger: the rise of modern China itself. During the years these coins circulated, China was building skyscrapers, expanding trade, dominating manufacturing, and becoming one of the strongest economies on Earth. So when collectors hold this coin today, they're not just looking at currency, they're looking at a symbol of China's rapid rise in the modern world. And this is what makes the comparison between these two coins so fascinating. Japan's 10 yen represents tradition, culture, and rebuilding. China's 5 Jiao represents modernization, growth, and economic power. Two completely different stories, yet both hidden inside small everyday coins. So now comes the final question. Which coin is truly more valuable and collectible today? Japan's historic 10 yen or China's modern 5 Jiao? So now the battle is in your hands. Would you choose the legendary Japan 10 yen coin with its deep history and cultural beauty, or the powerful 2004 China 5 Jiao coin? symbolizing the rise of a modern superpower. Both coins may look ordinary to most people, but collectors know the truth. Sometimes the smallest coins carry the biggest stories. And who knows? One hidden in an old collection today could become tomorrow's valuable treasure. If you enjoyed this epic coin comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join CoinAgeEra for more rare coin battles, hidden values, and incredible coin history from around the world.